Hi there and welcome back to MAAHI'S Language Nest. I hope you are doing well. This video is all about the replacement of basic English with the advanced English. So listen carefully and let's get started.
Basic English versus Advanced English. Let's start. Let's kick off. I'm leaving. I'm off. I'm going to sleep. I'm off to bed. Me too. So am I. I'm interested in it. I'm into it. I'm listening. I'm all ears. How are you? How's it going? I'm very hungry. I'm famished. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. She is very angry. She is pissed off. Tell me what happened. Catch me up. It's not difficult. It's not rocket science. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wrap. Don't annoy me. Don't drive me crazy. I am very nervous. I have butterflies. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop by tomorrow? I am very excited. I am pumped up. It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. Good luck. Break a leg. When will it finish? When will it come to an end? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates.